Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your Instagram Reels. Want to get more views on your Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to boost your Instagram Reels to reach a wider audience and grow your account. The first step is to use trending audios and hashtags. And to do that, just open an Instagram and go to the Reels section by clicking on the Reels icon. As you can see here, I'm using a tablet, so the layout is a bit different and the options are displayed in the left side. If you're using a regular mobile version, the options and the icons will be displayed in the bottom. I'm just gonna click on the Reels to access the Reels section. Now here, I'm gonna look for trending audios. Like you see, this is an example. I'm gonna choose it and then tap on the music name and then save the audio and use it in your reel. You can use this video on your reel by clicking on use audio and then recording your reel. Add 5 to 10 relevant hashtags to help Instagram categorize your content. For this example, you can use cars, hashtags about cars, etc. The second step is to post at the right time. The best times to post are the morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and in the evening from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and weekends also work best for engagements. The third step is to improve engagement in the first hour. Reply to every comment quickly to boost engagement and share your reels to stories, DMs and other social media. And pin the best comment to encourage more discussions. The fourth step is to make high quality reels. Shoot in 1080 pixels or 4K for better quality and use bright lighting to clear audios. And keep your reels between 7 to 15 seconds for better retention. The fifth step is to use Instagram's boost feature. You can tap on the three dots menu on your reel and select boost. For example, I'm gonna go to a reel I shared. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click. You can see the boost posts button right here and click on it and then set your you have to meet the requirements. As you can see, this video's resolution is too low and can't be used. Choose a different post or upload a higher quality video. And you're gonna set your target audience, budget and duration, and that's it. And now you know how to boost your Instagram Reels. Follow these steps to get more views, engagements and followers on Instagram. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.